Hey, welcome back to the Eat Well Dietitian YouTube channel. My name is Athena. I am going to use the pressure cooker today. I have been wanting to experiment with making dried beans and grains at the same time. I think I have finally figured this out. It took me many tries. I was making quinoa and millet and dried beans at the same time and way overcooking my quinoa and millet, so I've been eating mushy grains all week for lunch because I didn't want to throw them away. But I think that after a little bit of research and some help from the vegetarian Facebook Instant Pot group, I have a better combination. So I did barley today and kidney beans. So I made a video of that to show you how it was done, and I'm using the pot and pot method. I cooked this at high pressure for about 35 minutes, and I actually think it could be bumped down to 30. I still think my barley was a little bit overdone, so next time I make it, I'm gonna bump it down to 30 minutes on high pressure. All right, so let me know if you've done beans and grains at the same time in your pressure cooker and how it went.